Welcome to Best Choice. The best bicycle tires is probably one of the most overlooked components when it comes to cycling, but choosing the right ones can dramatically impact your ride. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 26 by 2.125 bicycle tires, exploring what makes them tick, and helping you decide if they're the perfect fit for your needs. Get ready to learn everything you need to know to make an informed decision and upgrade your cycling experience. Number 5. Schwinn Folding Bike Tire, 26 by 1.95 inch. This Schwinn tire is designed for your mountain, hybrid, or cruiser bike. It's built to handle various terrains, giving you a smooth and safe ride. This tire is compatible with a 26-inch diameter internal rim. The width is ranging from 19 mm to 29 mm, ensuring a good fit for your bike. Specifically, this is a 26 by 1.95 inch tire, ideal for hybrid bikes. It's great for riding on both pavement and light trails, providing versatility for your adventures. The wider tread knob spacing offers excellent traction and cornering confidence. This design helps you maintain control and stability on different surfaces. The tire features a puncture guard, adding an extra layer of defense against flats. This feature helps to extend the life of the tire and reduce the risk of unexpected stops. It has a durable steel bead construction, ensuring longevity and reliability. The recommended PSI range is between 40 to 65, allowing you to customize the ride feel. What we like. This tire features a puncture guard, offering an extra layer of defense against flats. Its steel bead construction ensures durability and a secure fit. If you're looking for a reliable tire for hybrid bikes, this is a great choice, providing peace of mind on various terrains. What people say. The tires are a perfect fit. The tires are exactly what I needed. The tires are of good quality. Number 4. MOHEGIA Cruiser Bike Tire Set. Introducing the MOHEGIA Cruiser Bike Tire Set. These classic folding bicycle tires are designed for beach cruisers and city bikes. They are easy to fold and carry, making them convenient for any rider. Available in 26 by 2.125 inch size, this tire fits widths from 1.75 to 2.125 inches. It has a PSI range of 40 to 65, ensuring a comfortable ride. The tire is suitable for both front and rear wheels. The tires feature classic knobby treads. This design provides sufficient traction and control, whether you're on the beach or navigating city streets. It ensures a safe and stable ride. The wide tires make minimal contact with the road. This design makes it easier to pedal and get going. It enhances your riding experience, making it smoother and more efficient. Built with carbon steel beads, the tires offer extra safety and strength. They are designed to withstand various terrains. It ensures durability and a long-lasting performance. Choose from white, brown, or black sidewall colors. This allows riders to match their style. It's a perfect replacement tire for daily commuting. What we like. The classic knobby treads provide sufficient traction and control on various surfaces. The availability of white or brown sidewalls adds a touch of style. If you like a comfortable ride with a classic look, especially for beach cruiser or city bikes, this tire is perfect for you. What people say. Very good tires for mountain bike or city bike. Very smooth riding and they are puncture resistant. Worked perfectly with our bike. Smooth ride. Sufficient traction for my biking needs, riding to and from work. Thick rubber is strong enough for the potholes that rule the streets of Montreal where I live presently. Number 3. Fincci 26 by 2.125 mountain bike tires. This 26 by 2.125 bike tire is designed for versatility. It features a 30 TPI casing, diamond center tread, and side knobs, providing excellent grip on both paved roads and loose surfaces. Looking for off-road performance? This tire's XC profile, rolling channel, and corner lugs provide the stability needed for trail riding and enduro setups. It will give you the confidence to tackle any terrain. The foldable design uses a Kevlar bead and nylon rubber casing. This reduces weight and improves packing, making it ideal for adventure rides. You'll be able to go further with less effort. This 26-inch bike tire is built to last. It can handle miles of dirt, gravel, and pavement transitions on classic 26-inch mountain bike setups. It's a durable choice for any adventure. This tire is easy to install and ready to go. It's compatible with various 26-inch bicycle tires, dirt bike tires, and 26 by 2.125 tires. Get ready for urban fitness or weekend trail runs. What we like. This tire uses a foldable Kevlar bead, reducing weight and improving packing for adventure rides. Its design ensures durability across mixed terrains. If you are looking for a tire that can handle both city streets and trails, this is a great option, offering versatility and performance. What people say. I liked how easy the tire unfolded from the packaging. I unfolded the tires and hung them on a door knob so they hung off the floor overnight. I mounted the next day. Very simple to slip on the 26 rims. No tools were needed, just used my hands to pull old tires and tubes off and install these new tires. Just installed this evening. It's dark outside, so I just rode around the neighborhood once. I will test drive them in the morning for a good 8-mile circle I do to Raiders Stadium and back home. I could feel a difference from my original tires that were a size narrower. 50 psi in each tire. Set these up as tubeless. They hold air and work great. The tires appear to be well made and are the correct size. They mounted well and finish was not smudged during mounting. They look and perform well. Usage will tell, and so will I. Will update in 100 miles. So far, I recommend this tire as I have found no issues. Number 2. Simeiqi 26 Beach Cruiser Bike Tires. These are a set of two 26-inch by 2.125-inch beach cruiser bike tires. The package also includes tire levers for easy installation. They're designed to enhance your riding experience. Made from high-quality rubber, this tire significantly improves comfort and stability. It's built for toughness and wear resistance, ensuring a long-lasting performance. Installation is simple and quick. The folding design means it doesn't take up much space, making it easy to carry and store when not in use. The classic knobby tread is perfect for beach cruisers and commuter bikes. This pattern enhances both comfort and stability, providing a smooth ride. These Simeiqi bike tires are a great replacement for your beach cruiser. They are durably constructed and easy to install, making them ideal for daily riding. What we like. This tire is made of qualified rubber, improving comfort and stability. It is also easy to install, making it ideal for daily riding. If you are looking for a comfortable and easy to install tire for your beach cruiser or commuter bike, this will be a great choice. What people say. Good quality. Have rode many miles on motorized bicycle. Still holding up well. The tires are very stylish and function as intended. Easy to put on. Smooth ride. Number 1. 26-inch bike tires 26 by 2.125. These 26-inch bike tires are perfect replacements. They are designed to fit most 26-inch wheels, offering a smooth and reliable ride. Made from high-quality natural rubber, it provides excellent shock absorption. The tires are built to last, ensuring durability and performance. Featuring a classic tread pattern, it provides great traction. This design ensures a safe and enjoyable riding experience on various terrains. The folding bead design makes it easy to store and carry. You can easily fold it up and store it when not in use, perfect for convenience. This package includes 2 tires, ready to replace your old ones. Get ready to enjoy a better riding experience with these tires. The tire size is 26 by 2.125 inches, with a white sidewall. It has an ETRTO of 57 to 559 mm and a TPI of 30. Inflated to 40 to 65 psi for optimal performance. What we like. This tire is made of high-quality natural rubber, which has good shock absorption performance. The classic tread pattern can get great traction for riding. If you are looking for a tire that is easy to store and transport, this tire is designed to fold up easily, making it convenient to store and transport when not in use. What people say. Tires are good quality and equivalent to originals. I put these tires on my Mongoose mountain bike for a smoother ride on paved roads. What a difference they make compared to the original knobby tires. No more buzzing noise nor vibrations through the handlebars. And I can still navigate off-road trails without any problems, but 90% of the time I'm bopping around town. Size is exact and high quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.